So,
Janki ji, what is the usage of the word dweller referring to?
dweller refers to the individuality. But it's a little complicated. You can take dweller to mean the self. If you take dweller to mean the self, then the problem is with the word in the body. If you take the dweller to mean the individuality, then the problem is with the completely freed from birth, death. The individuality will never be freed. So, whichever one you take, there's a problem with it. So, the only way to resolve this problem is to understand that the individuality is nothing but the self, but with some kind of blockage.
But in this, let's say if I substitute the dweller with Kalyan, when if I cross over all the three gunas, then I'm completely freed of birth, death, old age.
But will Kalyan never cross over the three gunas?
That's what is the state this verse is supposed to describe, no?
That's the problem with it. Because you're talking of that transition point, you can't say it's the individual and you can't say it's the self. So you say any is okay. Who is transitioning? The individual cannot transition, and the self doesn't need to transition.
Then what is this verse talking about?
It's talking about the transition.
Because over three gunas, he is not Kalyan anymore. He is the self. Right? The self in Kalyan's body is completely freed from birth.
But it was always freed from birth. There was no question of their freeing the self, right?
Yeah, is completely freed from birth. So, which means then Kalyan is freed from birth.
No, but Kalyan can never be freed from birth. The individual can never be.
So the dweller cannot be.
Yeah, that is the transition. That is the problem here.
Kalyan cannot be, dweller cannot be. Then what's Krishna talking about here?
That's why the only way to get it is that example of the bulb. When you're looking at the red light, right? And someone says, there's a bulb covered with red cellophane paper and there's red light. Now someone's saying, where is the yellow light? You will point to the red light. And they'll say, no, it's not. It's absolutely wrong what you're saying because can't you see it's red? But that comprehension that that red light actually has that yellow light in it. So it is the yellow light. So Kalyan is the self. Arun is the self. Bhavna is the self. And yet, neither Bhavna, nor Kalyan, nor Arun are the self. Because it is the self enveloped in something.
Transition point is something we need to reflect more on.
Yeah.
That this is the transition point he's talking about. So that's the dimension.
Yeah. Except that transition is just another word. There is no transition for the self, and neither is it there for the body, mind, intellect.